What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben, and in today's video we are on part 4 of the multi-part series selling on Amazon for beginners. So in today's episode we're going to be talking about how to negotiate with suppliers and how to make your first order. In the last video we taught you exactly how to find and choose the right products, and the video before that was suppliers. So now we're going to go ahead and move on and talk about placing your first order and setting yourself up right to sell on Amazon FBA. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, today's video is gonna be all about how to place your first order with your supplier, as well as how to negotiate good prices with your supplier. So there are a few different things that I like to do when first setting up an account with a supplier. Right off the hop, I will, tell them how our business works. I will be pretty transparent, say that I sell online, and I just let them know that really the way the business works is the better prices we get, the more quantity and higher volume of product we can buy. So if you can give us a 10 or 15% discount, we can buy many more products than if we were only to receive 5% discount or no discount at all. And when I'm first talking with a supplier for the very first time, I'll even say, I know that you've given a price list, your price list has some wholesale prices on it, but what do you generally give your customers that are able to do some real volume? Is it realistic to expect a 10% discount, 15% discount maybe? And just see what they say, see what kind of feedback they give you. A lot of the times they will either say we can work up to it, or that's something that we can talk about at a later date. And then some will say you have to hit a certain threshold and then you get a 10% discount. So right off the bat, you've established that they do give discounts. So they're still trying to feel you out and see what type of customer you are and how you're going to be to deal with and the type of volume you're going to be able to do. And then now you've been able to establish your relationship off the first call, and you've established that there is at least the possibility of getting a discount in the future. Now that you know this, what I will generally do is put in a test order for the products that we think are going to be interesting. We've done all of our software analysis, all of our market research, and we've now come up with a purchase order or a list of products that we'd like to purchase. Oftentimes I will go ahead and just purchase 12 or 24 units, and I'll go for the price that is either the wholesale price, or if they say they'll give us a discount based on some sort of manufacturer discount or something like that, we'll just go ahead and make that test order. The purpose of this isn't to make a whole lot of money, but it's to really gauge the sales and see how the product performs on the market. Then once you know exactly how the product performs, say you ordered 12 units and they sell out within 1 week. So I'll go back to the supplier, whether a brand or a distributor, and I'll say, that product was great. It sold out in 1 week. I'm actually able to 4x my order. I'm gonna buy a 1 month supply. So now with that, you take a look at all of the products, say all of them you're buying on a 4-time supply, and say if I do this volume, now what kind of discount can I get? And then you start talking about the different types of discounts and seeing exactly where their head's at. So obviously depending on the answer, if they give you a straight, okay, we'll do 10% off, or there are absolutely no discounts, you may choose to roll with that. You may choose to press a little bit harder. If you really see it being really good product that you're gonna come back month after month for, it might be worth it to lay the groundwork and get a little bit more of a discount if at all possible. A good approach for this would be to talk about the different types of discounts. First type of discount is generally a volume discount. Some distributors will actually have a certain threshold that you need to meet, and usually it's on a monthly basis in order for you to get the volume discount. So it may be $1,000 gets you a 5% off, and then $5,000 gets you 10% off, and then $20,000 gets you 20% off. And they may have this general scheme no matter which product it is. This is just something that they're able to do in order to offer the best value to, their most loyal customers. The second type of discount is called a line drive. So a line drive is essentially when a brand works with the distributor and they will get X percentage discount or X dollar discount off of all of their products, their entire line, for say a month's time or a quarter's time. So for example, you may have a product that brand X says to their distributor, for the month of September, we're going to be doing 30% off of all of our products. So this can be a huge bonus, and this can be a massive factor in determining which products you can buy at the time. Always make sure to ask if there's any sort of live drive discounts. Another type of discount is called a case pack discount. So a case pack discount is essentially when it's something similar to what retail stores use for advertising, but it'll be something such as buy 5, get 1 free. So this means every single time you buy 5 products, they'll throw in 1 for free. So this is another great discount to ask for, because oftentimes the manufacturers will offer these to the distributors, and it's something that they may be able to just pass right forward to you just by you asking. And then the fourth type and last type of discount we're going to talk about is the distributor discounts. So sometimes the distributors will just be looking to clear out products because they've been sitting around a little bit too long, or the product generally doesn't have a history of selling all that well and they're looking to get rid of it. Or maybe it's just a very popular item and they want to just move through a ton of volume. So be just sure to ask if the distributor themselves has anything for sale. This doesn't really have much of a name, but it's just generally discounts that distributor themselves can offer. So once you've established what you can get for a discount, you've done your test orders, you're coming back for more product, you've been able to successfully negotiate your discounts with your supplier. Now you're going to want to work on building that relationship. So relationships are probably one of the most important thing when selling on Amazon wholesale. This is the way that you become the preferred seller in a salesperson's mind. This relationship is built on, asking personal questions, remembering personal things about them. So when you call them up, you say, hey Chris, how's your wife doing? I know that you said she had a big test coming up in her school. Wanted to know how that was going. Showing some sort of personal interest in how their lives are going definitely goes a very long way in building a relationship. Also, obviously, money talks. So if you're able to spend a lot of money with one distributor through one salesperson, they're generally going to be earning more money in the back end based off of your sales. Obviously, that's going to build a relationship and help keep them happy if you're helping them make money. And then the last thing would just be to always remember them when big holidays and things like that are coming up. So if it is, the 4th of July or Christmas, sometimes we will send our distributors and our salespeople little gifts. So whether that's, a nice bottle of alcohol, a basket of, goodies, or maybe they say that they really like something, they really have, a favorite hockey player or football player. You might buy them something cool, like a jersey of that player or something like that. And it's really putting a personal touch and just letting them know that you're thinking of them, that you care, and you're interested and invested in growing the relationship. So if you take a combination of all the things that I talked about in this video today, that is the foundation of growing a amazing relationship, profitable relationship with your brands and your distributors. If you follow these steps, you will generally be able to scale your business with them further than if you were to, just make an online order, or if you were to deal with different people every single time. You want to try to find that one person, establish a relationship, talk about discounts, remember personal details, and grow towards becoming actual friends. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell. That'll let you know every single time I post a new video. Other than that, please leave a comment down below. Let me know how you grow your relationships with suppliers and how you like to get discounts, and how your Amazon business is currently doing as we come up to Q4 of 2020. That's all I have for you guys, and take care.